Hey, look at this cute ass makeup bag that Richard's mom got me for Christmas. It's so cute. Oh my god, look at it. Ooh. Anyways, hello, I am back. It's been a while. But I'm doing a voiceover because I'm just like really fucking awkward and I can't do it. Anyways, I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and I'm going to mix it with the NYX Total Control drops. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face and throw my glasses on my chair that's next to me. And if I'm looking up, which I am in this whole video, there's a giant mirror behind me and my phone is literally velcroed to it with my lights on it. So yeah. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face and mix the two, you know how we do. And then just, struggle to get the thing off because I just bought that. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques beauty blender, sponge, whatever, in circular motions to mix both of the colors. And I mix both because the NYX one is a tiny bit too pale and the other one is a tiny bit too dark, so it's like perfect. And goddamn, I'm pale as fuck. Look at that. I go from cherry to fucking ghost. And here I had a little bit of a fail. This powder gets a little weird after a while because I use it with I get fucking pissed because it's not working. It gets weird after a while. And yeah, so I'm just gonna use my airspun powder instead. I still look pissed. Then I'm gonna spill it over my leg because I have no pants on. And I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyeballs, on my eyelids, my forehead, and my nose creases, my laugh lines, and my chin. And then I'm just gonna take my lancome, I don't know what this is called, it'll be in the description, I can't see that. But it's like a blush highlighter thing that Richard's mom gave me for Christmas, yay! The lancome is so freaking good. I got some mascara too, oh my god. And I point to both blushes, but I really only use the dark one. And this is my first time using this blush and the eyeshadow that I'm gonna use. So yeah, and it kind of it looks good on camera when I do like my eyeshadow and stuff, but in person it looked kind of because it's the first time and I proceed to poke myself in the eyeball and that triggers a sneeze and then my entire lap is wet. But yeah, there was some fallout on my face, which I usually never get, so that's why I do my face first. I don't get fallout because I'm just good like that. But this eyeshadow kind of fucked me up, so on camera it looks good, but in person it's kind of not good. And I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks and spend 10 years doing it because I don't know when to stop, and put it on my nose so I look like I'm sick and dying in the hospital. And I'm still going. And I'm gonna blend everything out with the beauty blender because okay, then my light turned off. But yeah, you get it, you can see, you just watch. And then I'm gonna use this Physicians Formula bronzer duo, or not duo, trio. I don't really like bronzing or anything, I really like contouring more because I don't like looking orange, I like being as pale as possible. With a shit ton of blush, and I really haven't found like my perfect drugstore contour color, which is sad, so I just use like a tiny bit of this. And yeah, I also put it in my I almost said crease, but I don't know what that is. Eye socket, I don't know. And then this is the eyeshadow that I was talking about. It's amazing and beautiful, and expensive makeup is the best when you don't have to buy it, huh? And I'm just gonna take that on like a flat brush, and I was scared at this point, and I honestly can't even really see what I'm doing because the mirror is so far away and I'm really, really fucking blind. So I was kind of just guessing on what I was doing, you know? So it may look like shit, but I've come back and it looks beautiful. Ah, yay, beautiful, both eyes are done. See, I told you, magic. And then I'm gonna take this matte shade, only matte shade in the palette, and blend the black out with it. It's like a light pink color. I didn't feel like I really did anything, but I blended it out, so you know. And I don't really use like transition shades or anything. I don't really care. That's too many steps for me. just go straight to it. And this black eyeshadow, the reason that it was kind of a fail is because the other one that I used, you know, it doesn't blend out as well as this one did. So that's why I was kind of like surprised, because this is Lancome's expensive makeup. So, you know, it's gonna be better than the one that I have. And this black eyeshadow had like blue glitter in it, and the other one that I used is just a black eyeshadow, so it is a little bit different than, oh yeah, I am recreating this, I forgot to even say, I am recreating this makeup from pictures and stuff that I put on my Instagram, so go see that if you want to see those pictures. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with the same brush that I use for my contour, because, you know, you can never be enough blended, especially with black. And then I'm going to use this trial size Urban Decay eyeshadow in Solstice that I got a long time ago. And it's like a duochrome, amazing, like greenish purple. I don't even know what it is, but it's great. And I'm just going to take that on my finger and press that shit all over my lid. And I am watching The Office in the background, so if you see that, there you go, have a show. Always watch it. I think I will always be watching The Office in every single video that I make. And then I'm going to be using, the love of my life, the Huda palette. That one, I don't know what it's called, but it's amazing and I love it. All my favorite colors, so good. I'm going to be taking the lightest matte red shade. And okay. Me singing to some Kevin. And put that on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna blend it up into the black a little bit too. And then I'm going to use the darker eyeshadow. I just lost my train of thought. And put that only in the outer edge to make it a little bit darker, and blend it in with the black a little bit. And I didn't show it. Oh, no, I did. Never mind. And I blended it out a little bit, and I'm dancing some more. And then I'm going to use my favorite highlighter besides Becca Opal. Ugh. And I want the full one, but you know, a bitch is poor. And I'm just going to take this on my beauty blender and put it in the corner of my eyeball. And it's like the most amazing glittery highlighter in the entire world. And I feel like I should have put more on, but you know, you gotta stop somewhere. And I'm dancing again. Fuck Roy. And I literally just bought this. I haven't got to use it yet. Oh my god, I love it. I love it already, and I haven't even used it. This is the Sleek Solstice, I think it's called, also highlighter palette. And I'm going to use the cream pink shade. I had a really hard time trying to figure out how to put this on because I've never used a cream highlighter before, and I usually put my highlighters on with a beauty blender and it like wasn't picking up on it. So I had a hard time finding out how to put it on, and then I got a brush and I was like really confused because it wasn't, I don't know. I'm still playing with it. If anybody can help me on how to put it on, help. I was like, what the fuck? So I just try to put it on my finger, but as you'll see, my dumbass had black on my finger, so I have black marks on my face after I put all my highlighter on, because I'm a fucking idiot. I always have my mouth open. I don't... why? See? You see how it looks black on my fucking cheeks because I'm a dumbass? Oh my god. And then I try and fix it with this, but it just doesn't work. But I'm like, oh girl, look at that, it's still shiny. I love highlighters that look wet, and this one looks wet, so, you know. Oh, look at me, oh, so pretty. And then I'm gonna use this, like, literally $1 lipstick from Shop Missy. The best shit ever, it's so good. And it's in faded, and I'm just gonna put this all over my lips, and I'm very impressed with how well I line my lips from being so far away from the mirror. I'm so good. And this is like my perfect nude. Like, this is the only lipstick that I wear. I love it. It's so good. And it's kind of clumpy and gross because I'm almost out of it and it's really old, but I have to buy a new one. And I forgot to say, but obviously I did put mascara on off camera. I used a Lancome one. It'll be in the description. And I am done. I'm just gonna flip up my hair. My bangs aren't curled because I just took a shower, and yeah. And here is what the makeup was supposed to look like. Just put this video in there because I love this video. I'm fucking so hot. Oh my god. Bye.